Welcome students. Today I am going to our chapter 3 trigonometric functions in the part 2. Students, in part 1 I just explained you one of the degree to radian measure and radian to degree measure only just touching 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. And one of the table also explaining to sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec and cot the quadrant wise the all values for positive negative. It is simple fundamental to all as AC after school to college. Now students, today I am going to one more points related our degree to radian measure. This point is known very well in a circle. What is the circumference of circle? Yes, it is 2 pi r having radius I am taking 1 to each one. So unit circle is same applying. Here center is 0 0 and radius 1. So circumference of circle which is 2 pi r, but r is known 1, it is 2 pi. And this also I explained you for one of the our total degree. How many? Yes, in one rotation 360 degree. So this value and this value already known. Now students, today I am going to one of the relation between radius and angle measure theta. You know that any circle that is the our A to B, this value, it is a length of minor arc. It is a minor arc. And up to that, this one, it is your major arc. Yes. So both parties known. Today I am going to minor arc related. Minor arc is considered small l. It is your radius and here your theta. This theta 360 degree if you full circle take it, and here I only explain to this region related one of the property. Yes, length of minor arc L is equal to known if you, yes, known already, pi r theta upon 180. Now this pi r theta upon 180, students, I just converted pi by 180 separate and r into theta separate. Now 1 degree already known also. 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. How can it is define that? Already known 2 pi and 360, and then 1 degree is converted pi by 180 radian. So here this pi by 180 I just consider 1 radian. Yes students, so L is equal to here 1 radian and R into theta same. Finally, your theta is equal to L by R radian. And this is the property for this minor arc making an angle theta with our center. Students, here theta always take in radian measure, not in our degree measure, because this L and R value is also given in radian form. So that's why one of the property theta is equal to L by R. Sometimes we utilize R is equal to L upon theta also, just only cross multiply. And now this utilize, I start R is equal to L by theta, either theta is equal to L by R. Our next illustrations, illustration number 3. Up to 1 and 2 already I explained in the last part. Now I am going to illustration 3. Now students, utilize this property. Example number 3. Find the radius of the circle whose angle is 60 degree given at the center and length of arc given 37.4. So students, generally in this type question you draw first of all drawing, and here you are making our minor arc radius here theta. And this length is covered to our minor arc L, and L 37.4 centimeter. Yes, this property directly utilizes R and L. So, theta is given at a degree, how many? 60 degree. Students, I told here, always theta taking in the radian measure. So, here radian measure converted 60 is a what? Pi by 3, our radian. Because 180 by 3, 60 degree. Now, our property is R is equal to L by theta. What is L? 37.4. Theta is pi by 3. But now students, pi is given already in the question, 22 by 7. So my answer 37.4 into 3 upon pi. So 37.4 into 3 and here 22 by 7. So R is 37.4 into 3 into 7 by 22, and this full value you just utilize our calculation and easily calculate our answer. So now students, this you divided and calculate the value. It is your 35.7 centimeter. That's my radius is covered. Now continue. I am going to our next illustration, our fourth illustrations. Yes students, now move ahead. Example 4. Question is, if the arc of the same length, minor arc, is the two circles of the angle 60 degree and 110 degree at the center, and find out respectively the ratio of their radii. So students, here I just consider our two circles, circle 1 and circle 2. These are the center. Here P, either Q, and here are two radius, R1, R1, either R2, R2, and making a theta. Here theta 1 and here theta 2, and this length of arc is same students, ABR L1 generally. Here also just write down M and R, and this is your arc for L2. But here L1 and L2 same, I consider L. It's given. And angle measure also given, theta 1. How many? 60 degree. And theta 2 also given, 110 degree. Now, ratio of the radii. So I am taking R1 is what? Radius of first circle. Continue. R2 is what? Radius of second circle. And property utilize. This property same apply. R is equal to L by theta. Yes. R is equal to L by theta. Same as R is equal to L by theta. Here taking R1, R2, theta 1, theta 2, and L and L both same. Now I start the ratio and easily our numerical is done. So apply for the values. Ratio is, yes students, what's the ratio? Our ratio is R1 by R2 is my target. Read the question one more time. Find the ratio of the radii respectively R1 and second R2. My R1 value L by theta 1, L by theta 2. So what you get? R1 by R2? Yes, L by theta 1 into theta 2 by L. Cancel. Value put in theta 2. How many theta 2? 110 upon 60 degree. Yes. Now students, these are cancellations too. I think question is mistake there, right? Not a 60 degree. By mistake I unfortunately did a 65 degree is correct, students. Sorry. Here 65 degree. Here 65 degree. And here just I make the correction 65 degree. So my mistake here students is not a 60, it is 65. Now both again solutions. R1 by R2. Students, degree measure translate in radian measure. You know that 1 degree pi by 180 radian. So here 110 into pi by 180 radian. Same as 65 into pi by 180 radian. Generally, you translate the same functions. Now cancel. So what you get? R1 by R2? Yes. 11 into 10. It is 13 5 65. 5 2 So 22 by 13. So my answer is ready. R1 ratio R2, which is 22 ratio 13, is your final answer for this ratio of 2 radii. Yes, students. In your question, by mistake I printed here 60, but it is 65. Yeah? So my answer is true. Now students, ending of this our exercise 4, example 4, I am going to our next exercise, first question. Exercise 3.1. Now students, slowly I start our exercise first question. Convert degree measure to radian measure. Our degree measure given and I just want to radian measure. So you know that one of the formula, 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. Yes. So how many 45 degree is equal to? It is 25 degree into pi by 180 radian. And here ending you easily after some simplifications. Yes students, here 5 5s are 1, 25 and here 18 into 10s. I easily converted to basic form over this radian forming. So here 5 2s. Nothing cancellation. It is 5 by 36 radian. That's your answer, 25 degree. And here happily our first question is done. Now continue to our question number 2. Yes students, second question is there. Minus 47 degree 30 minutes. Minus 47 degree 30 minutes. So students, this minute converting first of all into degree. So minus 47 degree plus 30 minutes minus any outside. So you getting just 47 degree plus 30 by 60 degree. First of all, minute translate into degree. So 47 degree plus half degree. So what you get total? 47 plus half. And 47 plus half? 7 4s are 7 2s are 14 plus 1. 4 2s are 18, 94 plus 1. It get 95 by 2 degree. Now this property again utilize. 1 degree is equal to how many? Pi by 180 radian. That's why minus 95 by 2 degree is equal to, you getting just minus 95 by 2 into pi by 180 radian. It's very simple calculation students. So minus 95 are 95 and here 2 into, yes it is 18 tens. I just only calculate in simpling format. It is 5 2s are cancelled. Other nothing cancel, so you getting just minus 19 by 18 into 2, 36 into 2, 72 radian. And here students, our question number second is easy done. Now continue, go ahead. Our question number third, same applications. First third question is there. 240 degree and converting into our same as the radian measure. So students, generally same formula apply here. 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. Only one application I am applying. But if you, whenever you given in minute and second, you translate into up to degree. Then already given degree. So I just write down 240 degree is equal to 240 into pi by 180 radian. Now 0 0 cancel. Here 24, 6 4s are Least to least forming cancellation. Yes, 6 3s are radian. So easily you getting the answer. 6 is cancelled. So 240 degree, 4 pi by 3 radian. And here you are ending our easy first, third question. Now continue students. Question number 4th. Fourth also same question. 520 degree and translate into same as 520 into degree to radian. So same applications. 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. Students, every time we utilize this one standard form. It's very easy. And going to that, putting value. So 520 degree is equal to how much? 520 into pi by 180 radian. I hope you understood very easily. And cutting value 001. 52 known, that is a 13 4s are pi, and here 3 6 are radian. Students, least to least converted. So here cancellations to that, 2 2s are, and here 2 3s are. So 13 2s are 26 pi upon 9 radian. And that's your answer, is a 520 degree. And here you have finished that. Our first question, our fourth one. Now after completing students our first question, I go into question number 2. Question 2 is that he was asking, given our radian measure and translate into degree measure. So students, in degree measure, you translate up to minute and second also in the existing questions. Here question given 11 by 16 radian and I translate to degree. Formula same apply. 1 degree pi by 180 radian. Yes, you know that. 1 degree pi by 180 radian. So, what is the 1 radian? It's very easy. 180 by pi degree. Only just cross multiply. So I have here 11 by 16 radian is equal to 11 by 16 into 180 by pi. Here whole number taking in the degree form. Now cutting. So 11 by 16 same. Here 18 into 10 and here 22 by 7. And whole number is your again your degree measure. So 11 by 16, 118 into 10 into 7. This 7 take upside. And by 22, this is your degree. Now students, I am cutting to least calculations. 11 2s are 22. Here 2 5s are 10. Next 9 2s are 18. And here 8 2s are 16. Now finished. So you usually cutting value 9 5s are 45 into 7 upon 8 degree. Yes, 45 into 7 do it and divided by 8. So again I write 11 by 16 radian is equal to what you get? 45 into 7 by 8 degree. So now how many students? 45 into 8? Yes. 7 5s are 35. 3 carry. 7 4s are 28. 29, 30 and 31. 315 and now do 315 divided by 8 using calcium. Approximately value defined. 315 by 8. So students, you calculate this value 315 by 8. I think 39.375 approximately. Yeah? So I am taking here 39, here 8 and degree is same. Now 8 times the 72 into 3 that you getting 72. 2 and here 5 is 3 or left. And other value 39 degree 3 by 8 into 60 minutes. Yes. T by 8 into 60 minutes. So further calculation 39 degree plus here you getting finally values for after some calculations. Here 4 2s are, here 32s are 60. So 8 3 3 are 9. 90 by 4 minute. Again calculate. It is totally value 45 to the 90 by 2 minutes. Again decided 45 by 2. It is 22.5. It means students 39 degree, 22 and 1 by 2 integer. 22 is half. So we get 45 by 2. Now 39 degree, 22 minutes and half into 60 seconds. So half into 60 seconds is known that it is 30 seconds. So 39 degree, 22 minutes and 30 seconds. This answer students 11 by 16 our radian measure. And here your final this one solution is easily done. Now after ending students I am going to one more question, second questions. So second is same. -4 radian. So you same is write down 1 degree pi by 180 radian. So 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi degree. So here just I change. It is a -4 radian. And this also calculations for -4 radian. And further calculation is same as here -4 radian. 180 into 10, 22 by 7 is same. Now further calculation students, slowly I going ahead. So minus carry outside. Here 4 into 18 into 10 into 7 by 22. Try in least to least factor. That's why students are writing in the factorization formula. Don't take direct LCM, otherwise you confuse. Now calculations. Here 2s are gone, 11s are gone. Other nothing calculations. So you get to here 18 into 2 36 into 70 by 11 degree. Yes, and 11 into divided by same here 0 and here degree. Here applying 7 6 are 42 means 2 4 carry and 7 3 are 21. 21 plus 4 25 25 20 degree divided by 11. And that part I also converted up to second. So -4 radian is equal to what the value? -2520 by 11 degree, and that value I just simplified by using calculus. Students, calculator is allowed for you. So 2520 divided by 11 and then after write down there. So students, this value is a 229.0909 approximately. Yeah? So I just utilize here 229, here 11 and degree is same. So 229 into 11 nearest to 2520, 9 means 9. It is here 1 carry only. 229 into 11, 2519. Yes, use your calculation. And finally 9 means 9 over 10. So my value is 229 degree plus 1 by 11 into 60 minutes. That's your value. So finally 229 degree, here 60 by 11 minute. Students, 60 by 11 you just calculate again by using calculation. 60 by 11. So students, this value is 229 degree plus 11, easily calculate. 11 5s are 55. So here 5s are, here 11s are. 11 5s are 55. You getting only 5 minutes. If you not divided there, it is 5.5. So minus 229 degree, 5.5 means 5 point something plus 5 minutes and 5 by 11 into 60 seconds. So finally getting 229 degree, 5 minutes and here 300 by 11 second. And 300 by 11 second, it is just about to 27 point something. It is near the value 27.27. So it is approximately 27 students. So my answer is -4 radian. Here I am done. My answer is -229 degree 5 minute and 47 second. And students, here your numerical is done. Now, if you know our 1 radian, 2 radian up to 10 radian, in last part I already give you for self calculations. Students, here 4 radian already same answer. Only is -4. Then your answer is -4 meter radians. Now here our second question to second done. Now continue. I move ahead. Our third question. Third is the same property. Question is there 5 pi by 3. So this same written 1 degree pi by 180 radian. So 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi degree. Here change. That's your 5 pi by 3 radian. Here change 5 pi by 3. And further calculations, it's very easy and simple. You easily derive here the next calculations. So pi by 1, 5 by 3 into 180. Total degree same. Now 3 into 6, 60. So 300 degree is covered to our 5 pi by 3. Students, 300 degree means you also mention that 300 degree into 0 minute 0 second. Whenever you 0 minute 0 second, it is purely degree calculations. Yes. Now one more questions. Our second question running, fourth one. Fourth one, question is there 7 pi by 6. Same application, 1 degree, pi by 180 radian. So, what is the 1 radian? Is equal to 180 by pi over degree. That's why, same application, 7 pi by 6 radian is that. Our solutions, it is 7 pi by 6 into 180 by pi degree measure, and you easily getting our 1 degree measure to pi by 1, 7 by 6 into 180 here degree. Now that also calculation ready. 6 3s are 30, so it is 7 into 3. How many? 210 degree. Here also write down 0 minute and 0 second, 7 pi by 6. And that's our students. Our question second. Easy and happily done. Yes students, these all values are correction and easily ending our this second question. Now students, after our this question second ending, our one illustration is remaining. Example number 4. Example 1, 2 already I explained in the first part. Now third and fifth already I explained today in the before this starting sessions. Now here example 4 is remaining. So now I start our example 4. The minute hand of a watch is 1.5 cm. Students, this is the IMP question. That's why I explained in the last one of this part. In a minute hand, length given 1.5 cm. For how far does it take the 40 minutes? So consider this is your clock. Here your center, and these two are the positions of initial to after 40 minutes. Here A and here B. These are to cover 40 minutes. And this length tree is asking. This length asking. A to B. And this answer is my final answer to L. This is a radius. This is a minute hand. What? OA and OB. So here length of OA equal to length of OB is equal to radius. It is what? Length of minute hand. And how many given it is? 1.5 centimeter. And degree measurement given, but 40 minutes given. So students, this degree theta I translate into radian and minute translate into degree. So this minute given 40 minutes. Yes, you know that 360 degree is equal to how many cover? Our 60 minutes. It means 1 degree is equal to how many 1 degree is equal to? 60 by 360 minutes. This cancel 6 are 1 by. It means our 1 minute is equal to 6 degree. So I want now how many minutes? 40 minutes. So I translate into our 40 minutes into degree form. One more time right now, students. 1 minute is equal to our 6 degree. So that's why how many 40 minutes? 40 into 6 degree. It means 6 into 4, 40. 6 4s are 24. 240 degree. Yes, it means this degree is covered over this value for theta. Now students, theta I want in the radian measure. So now you calculate 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. That's why our 240 degree is equal to 240 into pi by 180 radian. You necessarily translate into radian form. Now this 0 0 cancel. Other are 6 4s are. Here are 6 3s are. 6 is gone. My answer is 4 pi by 3 radian. Measure to getting the 240 degree. And that is our theta. Now students are ending this question. Check. How far does it take moving 40 minutes? It means this starting to our minute hand up to 40 minutes here and there. It means I want to this length L. So after 40 minutes, our length of R, yes, formula is known. Theta is equal to L by R. So what is the L? Theta into R. This property students I just applying, and all you know theta is a 4 pi by 3 and R is already known, it is radius. How many lengths? 1.5. Same. So here your value 1.5 and this calculation is very easy. Pi given 3.14. So 4 into 3.14 into 15 by 10 and here upon 3. Now here cancel 3 5s are, 5 2s are and 2 2s are. 2 into 3.14, it is 6.38 centimeter. Our final 2 into only 3.14 and 3.14 into 2, 6.28. That's my length of R. It means how far does R take in 40 minutes? It means in 40 minutes, this minute hand to moving ahead up to A to B length, and this length is your RA. Yes students, here our example 4 is which is the most IIT question. That's why I explain you ending of this our part. Yes students, up to that our this part is over here. Further explanation for this exercise I explain you in the next part. Bye bye, see you.